guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I know I don't ever talk to you like this on my cleaning videos. Wow. We'll address that another time. I don't ever talk to you like this on my cleaning videos, but I figured I would copy the format of Clean with Z's video. So she started a challenge called the Dirty 30, and basically it's kind of like a power hour, except the time is cut in half because we don't always have an hour. So 30 minutes is like a more condensed version of that. And in her original video, she cleaned her kitchen in 30 minutes, and I need to clean my kitchen too. So I figured this is a good challenge to do. And I only have 30 minutes because Xavier just called me from his school. He's not feeling well still. Don't worry, he recently got tested and everything came back negative. So with all that being said, I am going to stop talking to you. Wish me luck. It is now 1:12 and I need to be out of here so I can go and pick him up early from school. Like I said earlier, I got this challenge from Clean with Z and More, and I will put her channel and all of her information down in the description box below. Also, leave a comment down below. Do you think I'm gonna be able to clean my kitchen in 30 minutes? Obviously, the kids have not been feeling well. I think I jumped the gun and sent them back to school too soon. He seemed fine earlier today, but obviously he just could not make it throughout the day. So as you see here, I am sanitizing my countertops in the top of the stove just because they have been sick and they've been touching everything. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to do that and also hit up the refrigerator. I went in my room and discovered that I had a teacup on my nightstand, so that's what I just put in the dishwasher. I rinsed it out real quick and just stuck it in there super fast. I looked at my watch and I had some time left, so I'm going to sweep and mop the floor. about 5 minutes left, so I moved on to clearing off the table and just picking up random things and wiping down and sanitizing the tables and the coffee table. My time is up. It is crazy to me how much you can actually get done when you set a time limit for yourself. Thank you so much, Z, for starting this challenge. I had so much fun and got so much done. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check out Z's channel in my description box below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.